a world of foot-tapping beats, soul swaying rhythm. This year's celebration promises to be an explosion of colors, cultures and music as students from all grades come together to showcase their talent through catchy and popular songs across the globe. Days of hard work, practice and enjoyment has led to the culmination of this event. We have students who will be pulling out all stops to put our best foot forward and perform some wonderful songs to bring happiness to you all. Brace yourself to experience a state of euphoria like no other. Now, as the saying goes, sit back, relax, maybe tap your feet to the beat as well and enjoy the show.